Good morning, everybody. Y'all know where I'm at, back on the water again. We had a spot that I came to once before, and I brought my son-in-law with me. I'm gonna put him on some fish. My son-in-law Zeke. Zeke, say what's up to the people.
What's going on?
Man, so we out here. We finna get something going. Y'all make sure y'all give me that thumbs up like I always tell y'all. So we finna get these lines in the water. I'm gonna get back at you. First pole out there, fishing with a bobber this morning. Oh, something thumped me. Oh, he gone. Oh, no, don't stop playing. Now, you gonna take it, take it. Take it. We up in Hillsborough County, y'all. I got him that time. Exactly what we looking for. The Rio Grande Cichlid. Man, these things here so good. That's why I had to come back up here again. And man, that was my first time trying them. Oh my God. These things are delicious. So we got the first one of the day. I done caught them bigger than this, but these things are very meaty. Very meaty. Y'all know where he gonna go. Slapping the cooler. So y'all stay tuned. He got his first line out there, y'all. Let's see what's gonna happen. Soon you see that thing dunking or moving, set back on. Like hook, set the hook. Reeling this a little bit more, Zeke. About right there. Got one, there you go. There you go, your first one, okay. You good. Like he done had it for a while because he got the eating. I'm gonna get him off for you. But his first fish, y'all. Yep. See, that's what happened when you come out with fish junkie, man. He put you on him. Had to put another worm on. And these fish, they sitting right on the edge, man. They ain't out there in the deep. They sitting right off of these edges right here. Look, some already got me already. Take it, take it. Nah, little baby. Oh man, he had me under, man. Playing games. Don't play games like that, man. You gonna take them, take them. Oh Lord, I'm gonna throw my other pole out too in a minute. And look, he done already hooked into another one.
Yeah, we getting busy out here today, man.
When we get out here, man, we start getting hit quick, so that's always a good thing. Look, something got me. He got me. Oh, you joker. Damn. I tried to damn rip his whole damn jaw out. Yeah, I think I set the hook just a tad bit too hard. You feel nice. I think this is the nicest one I done got so far. And I'm stuck on my other pole. God dog it. Come on now. Get off of that. I'm about to go down now. Is it you do me a favor? You hold this? Just hold this pole. I'm gonna go down there and get this shit off. Go down. Come on, bro. All right. Yeah, a little bit better. I got you. All right. Give me a sec. Big ones yet, y'all. We've been catching eating side, but no big ones. Like I said, we just starting. All these suds from the doggone water killing me. Can hardly tell. That water over there pumping out. Little baby, man. I'll try some. Oh, man, did I keep them? Yeah, I got them still. Little baby bluegill. Ain't nothing. Let him go back. We need something bigger than that. The first bluegill I done caught, y'all. Something got me. Oh, he seemed pretty nice. Oh, he seemed nice with this here. Oh, nice damn, another Rio Cichlid, yeah. That one a lot bigger. Yeah, a lot bigger. I'm about to bait at my other tight line pole, see what I can get. Is he gonna tell you where to throw it? Cause I caught, when I was over here, I was tight lining. Throw like right there on that corner. Right there, I'm gonna show you, hold on. Throw like right at that angle right there. Over there? Yeah, throw straight out at that at an angle. Is it tangled up at the front?
No, I ain't switching over.
No, I'm gonna get by that one. Y'all can see, y'all, these cichlids taking over. I caught one baby bluegill so far. Every bite been them cichlids. Rio Grande Cichlid. They taking over.
Come to the sunfish, a whole little nest of babies, man.
Oh, something got me out. Oh Lord. Thank you, man. You little motherfucker, you. Oh, got a good hand on you. I'm catching no bluegill. That's weird. Nope, I ain't caught not one bluegill yet. Not one. That's weird. I just tell you how these invasive species taking over.
You usually be catching a lot of them motherfuckers out here?
What, those?
Bluegills?
Y'all, sometimes, like when we in Backhat, we was getting a variety of bluegill in those. But it seems like now, just catching these cichlids. I mean, these Rio Grande Cichlids. See, they're invasive to Florida, yeah. They're not native fish. And what happens is they bullies and stuff. So what they do, they eat all the bass and bluegill and shellcracker eggs and stuff. They're bullies in the water.
Yeah.
So it slows the population down of other fish, but they bullies, just like tilapia. They're bullies too. They eat the eggs of the bass and the bluegill and stuff like that. That's why I said it's weird that we ain't catching. Got something too. So you can throw over here. That's all that's hitting these cichlids. I ain't caught not one. Not cichlid, the Grand Rio Cichlid. I ain't caught one bluegill yet. But I ain't complaining, but because these things pretty good too. See what we can do over here. I done caught like 3 or 4 little babies. That's about it. We're probably gonna switch to another spot. Tell you one thing, I feel bad about this bridge and out there, but that big red ain't playing today. She kicking butt and taking names. Yeah, she kicking butt and taking names. We probably want to head to another spot. See if we can find them hitting somewhere else. They ain't making too much noise over here. And there's water moving pretty good too, so that was making it even worse. Your bait can't stay in one spot. Yeah, y'all, so we're gonna get back with y'all, man. I just figured I'd let y'all in on where we at right now. We still on the hunt for them. We got some in the cooler. All Rio Grande Cichlids. So far, so man, we still at it. Y'all stay tuned. Caught that big on the way coming in. Another Rio Grande Cichlid, y'all. Now you can tell the population of these things is big up here. Cause I think every bluegill I done caught been somewhat small. That's weird, boy. I ain't caught not one decent sized bluegill, y'all. Not one. Dang, but I just got hit again. Man. Yeah, I got hit that quick. Like he got it. Dang. Something rocked me out. Alright, y'all, we done changed spots. We left Hunting Canal and we down here at one of my other spots. We got a little bit in the cooler, but I wanted to take my stepson to, not my stepson, but my son-in-law to another spot. Because we caught some, we really didn't catch that many, so we back at the other spot. So man, y'all stay tuned. Okay. Took him out here and got that first keeper. That's a shell cracker right there. That's a nice one right there. Go ahead and take him off. Toss him in the what's now, yeah. That's keeper size right there. Look, he caught the first keeper, y'all.
Yes, sir.
Give yourself a little slack. And then you can lean it. There you go.
Don't run, my boy. Stay still, gang.
Another nice shell cracker. I got one too. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh yeah. He gonna keep. Yes, sir. He gonna keep, man. All right, Zeke, you doing your thing, huh? Hmm?
Yep. Learning from the best today.
Oh man, I'm down over here too, dog. Something pulling me over here. Little baby though. There, y'all. They biting. You got it? What you doing? You playing? Yeah, you playing. You ain't doing nothing. You ain't doing nothing. What? The little one? Somebody, he ain't gonna suffer for too long. I'll tell you that. Something gonna knock his ass. Hold on, Zeke, your thing twisted. See it? Yeah, man, we starting off pretty good. My son-in-law caught the biggest two so far now. You know, y'all know how that go. When you get somebody, when you take somebody fishing, they always get the big one. So I don't think that ain't gonna be the only big one he get now. I think gonna be some bigger ones than that. For definitely. But definitely, I know for a fact it is. For a fact, man. We there trying to fill up the cooler, y'all. Doing a little grocery fishing. Look, something hit me already. A little joker. Got a nice one. Now what he doing? Oh, that's a nice one. Oh, that's a nice one, y'all. Another nice shell cracker. He gonna keep. He definitely gonna keep, y'all. Boy, it look like you had an old nice one. He almost a keep, yeah.
That's what I thought it was.
He almost gonna keep. That's a bluegill right there. Yeah, he ain't got enough meat on him. We're gonna let him grow a little bit bigger. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man, something got me. A little joker you. Boy, you pulled me like you was something.
For real, I thought he was about to snatch the pole.
Yeah, boy, he pulled me like he was something. He had a lot of damn energy. And wasn't about nothing, but I thought that was a big one. Thought he was a big one. So far, man, not too bad, but we want more than that. But that's what it looked like so far. I don't know. He seemed like he got a little weight to him. I think he'll keep. I want to keep him. He thick, y'all. Yeah, he thick enough. He got that meat on him. That's a sandwich. I knew but he was going over there. Oh, this is a nice one, y'all. Oh, that's a good one. Nice. See, that always happens. Every time you about to say you want to leave, you'll get something that's nice. And that's a nice one right there, Zeke. Every time you want to leave. Look how fat that thing is, y'all. That's a fat boy. Yes, sir. Thanks. I might have to throw out one more time, man.
Yeah, ain't no problem. I ain't in no rush. I said, I ain't got nothing but time today, man.
Yeah, he swallowed the hell out of that. Zeke, it's a run right there by your pole. He got it. Feel like something on there. Yeah. Oh, he on there. A little joker. Little joker on there. Nothing to write home about. Toss him out again, see? Yes, yes. That's why I'm sitting there with nothing on it. Oh man, that's a big one. Yes, sir, man. That's a nice bluegill right there. Zeke, let a little line out. Cause you don't want to snap your pole. There you go. Hold it. There you go. Anytime you get them, don't reel them all the way up. Cause that just put strain right there on the pole. I always give them a little slack. But hey, boy, for your last one, well, you came up with a nice one.
Yes, sir.
That's a nice bluegill right there. Let's see if I can get a nice one before I go. Oh, what that is? Come on now, let's make it double trouble. Let's make it double trouble now. Come on now. Yeah, he going there. That's where he going. He gonna take himself an ice bath. I got Rob. It is what it is. You ready?
Yes, sir.
Well, man, that's gonna be the end of this, y'all. It's gonna be the end, but that's the end results right here, y'all. That's the end result. Zeke, you got anything to say to the people, man, about the day of fishing?
Hey, man, it was a successful first day for me, man.
Y'all heard it. So like I always tell y'all, man, like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure y'all give us that thumb up to get us in the algorithm. Until next time, see you. But this was the day's catch, man. Look at this, man. Nice size shell cracker, y'all. Big dog. Got a nice size bluegill. Look at this, man. Nice size bluegill. I've even got some Rio Grande Cichlids in here, man. We got a nice cooler full of shell crackers, man. Pretty good day today, man. Pretty good day. Can't complain.